how do you feel about when someone says to you "mard ban,"
Hmm.
ठीक है? Or just the concept? What does that actually mean?
Like, I'm also confused about that. Okay, what does it actually mean? Like,
Hmm.
when, for example, when someone says it to you, what are you supposed to do? Like, are you supposed to put on an act or something? Okay,
Like when someone says
pretending
it,
to do something, pretending to be someone. Like, what is that? Because
I mean,
I still don't know.
When someone says it to me, it's just the image in my head is just like you have to
Like,
be
chest
strong
out, full.
and you have to, you know. I think it's like you have to overcome something, you know, like
Overcome something like
just
what?
anything, right? Like just when the idea of masculinity often is taught is, you know, it's just the more man you are, the more you are able to do things and overcome things and
But-
not let things affect you. And yeah, well, that's the idea.
Would
know?
you define it like as pretending to be someone that you're not? Like covering up something? Covering up the real you? Like portraying,
Describing what? Like being a man or?
yeah, being a man?
In terms of how it's like just a society mein,
Yeah,
जिस तरह लगता
yeah.
है. Yeah, to some
Like
degree.
just when you said
yeah.
that the first thing that comes to your mind is like full chest out. It's not like
It's
when
just
people
a
go, "Yes,
shift,
Arabic."
you know. It's
Yeah.
like just the idea of banna something.
Yeah.
You know, like you have to be something that
So
you're like that requires.
That also
you know.
means to some extent that you're like becoming something that you're not.
Yeah.
तो वही
yeah.
चीज़ है ना, because like आप बन रहे हो,
Yeah.
तो अगर आप बन रहे हो तो then that's not you.
True.
Like you're not being true.
I mean, but
true
then
to
there's also
yourself
this
as
idea
well.
of, you know, a lot of people would say, okay, oh, it's good to have something like an aim that drives you forward, you know.
Mhm.
So I mean, it's fine to accept yourself, but also, isn't it good to be like, yeah, I should become X, Y, and Z. I should be more able to deal with problems.
Yeah,
have,
वो तो
you know, less things affecting me. Be someone who people can rely upon. You know, a stronger face. Just, you know, like
like a
something
shoulder
like,
to cry on.
yeah, like all of these things, whatever, like एक bucket बना के जो भी उसमें चीजें डाल दो, you know,
Like a
very good.
concussion.
Yeah,
A
but
concoction.
Like, yeah, but so वो सारा है भी तो like what
Hmm.
isn't that beneficial, you know, as well.
How would it be beneficial though?
But
But also like yeah, there's like a good side and bad side to that as well, like everything else in the world.
yeah,
So the same thing applies to this as well.
what is the good side? Like, in
Like
terms-
you're saying like something good comes out of it because like you're aspiring to be someone like maybe
Yeah.
a better version of yourself, maybe a better version, a better human
Yeah.
in some cases. But like the bad side is like the toxic expectations or like the things that it enforces on you.
yeah,
Okay, you have to fit in this standard type of mold in order to be called a man.
yeah,
The mold that is made by the society and like different people, like your family, your parents. It can be anyone.
But what makes you think that that's not a good mold to follow? Because for a lot of people, they might even agree, you know, like काफी लोग might agree. कि,
Yeah,
okay,
a
it's
lot of people
concept.
do.
It's
A
a
lot of
concept.
people do.
Yeah, it's just a concept.
Yeah.
But then a lot of people are also like, it's a concept, but if it's providing me a guideline on what to be as a good, like even being a good person technically is just a concept, you know,
Yeah.
in many ways. Like it's
Yeah.
just a guideline that people follow and want
Okay,
to.
if you do
Yeah,
if you do
yeah.
this and this, then you're a good person.
But often it also helps people because they're like, oh, they have some sort of a compass or something to aim towards and all of that. In your experience, do you think उसका pros ज़्यादा होते हैं या cons ज़्यादा of just this idea of what it is to be a man?
Yeah, downsides या negative effects, I would say ज़्यादा है.
How so?
Because like for me personally, like the number one thing is that if you're like pretending to be someone else, yeah, another version of you, just to like please other people or please society or to fit into something, then you're not being true to yourself. And when you grow up doing that, so then you yourself don't even know कि आप कौन सा version हो असल में. Like you cannot differentiate between them both. And I feel like that translates to a lot of other things in your life as well. कि you wouldn't be able to draw the line कि where that fake version that you were like made to follow, you're made to put on,
Yeah.
and what is the real version of you. if
How do you
makes
find
sense.
that real version of you?
I don't know, just doing whatever you say, like the type of clothes that I want to wear. Like for example, maybe growing up, a big experience was that men cannot wear jewelry, men cannot have piercings,
Yeah.
men cannot have like wear this kind of clothes, this and sara kuch, because if you do, then they would end up like calling you gay, you're feminine or you're gay. Like
Yeah.
that is like the biggest thing.
Do you think it's also? I've also noticed that there's also that even if like, and often among males, but also surprisingly Pakistan, even among women, you know, there's this idea that if feminine, the word feminine is used as a negative, you know.
Yeah, it's like a
Even
negative
though-
connotation.
Even though technically though
Yeah.
it's not,
It's
like
not,
the
it's
actual
not.
definition, like the word,
Yeah.
like just feminine, right?
Yeah.
You know. So, but often it's used in a negative context,
Yeah.
काफी दफा, you know, कि ओ ये क्यों ना करो, not because even when you were explaining it, there wasn't an actual harm, you know. You
Yeah.
weren't like कि jewelry ना पहनो because उससे maybe आप इतने modest नहीं रहते. Like imagine कि अच्छे कपड़े ना पहनो, उसकी
Yeah.
वजह से आप like that's still a different argument. you
Different
know?
argument, but
हाँ.
this is like कि बस मर्द नहीं
like
पहनते
the
हैं तो वो
actual
वाली
reason is कि बस
argument.
feminine लग रहा है,
Yeah,
you know.
like
so
वो वाली चीज़ है.
yeah, and so why is that necessarily a bad thing? Is my question.
कि
you know?
feminine लगना
Yeah, in the sense के
या being called feminine.
being called feminine, yeah, being called feminine, like, and how
Like for
male
me-
circles में it's often treated as कि ओ तूने उसे like feminine बुलाया, and as if that's like बहुत ही
कि
बड़ा
roast
insult,
कर दिया
you know?
कुछ insult
yeah,
कर दिया
right?
हाँ,
So
लेकिन for me personally it's not.
Hmm.
Like it's something that like a lot of people like, for example, if you say that there's like a feminine side to you, so I would say that a lot of people have that, and
Yeah,
that's fine. That's
everyone,
like completely
yeah,
normal.
yeah.
Like every person instinctively I think has that side.
Yeah, of course. Of
Yeah,
course.
तो a lot, but most of the people don't let it out.
Hmm.
तो दे लाइक वो कहीं छुपी होती है उस तरह साइड में अंदर वो दबी होगी वो ऐसा ही चीज़ क्योंकि बिकॉज ऑफ द अनरियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशंस एंड लाइक दिस होल मोड थिंग दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट इज सेट बाय सोसाइटी कि आई कैन नॉट डू दिस बिकॉज इट मेक्स मी लेस ऑफ अ मैन
Yeah.
सो लाइक वो जो एक वो डेफिनेशन का एक बॉक्स बनाया हुआ है ना कि अगर आप इफ यू फॉलो दीज थिंग्स तो यू बिकम द मैन
Yeah.
एंड इफ यू डोंट तो फिर यू जस्ट लाइक सॉफ्ट
Yeah.
I don't know why it's like referred like कि feminine, being feminine or like उस तरह की चीज़ is like being referred to as being soft. वो ही चीज़ भी.
Acha, let's be a little more specific. Matlab, what is, when you say masculinity,
Yeah.
when you say masculine or feminine, what are some things that would fall under that? Just in terms of generally जिस तरह लोग समझते हैं.
Generally जिस तरह लोग समझते हैं.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, generally like if you are going to describe a masculine man, so it would be someone who provides for the family, like is like the breadwinner type situation, is like strong, emotions उस तरह से नहीं होंगे.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Is the
फुल डीप वॉइस से बात
Chest
कर रहे
निकाल
हैं
के.
चेस्ट निकाल के
Yeah.
बात कर रहे
Yes,
हैं
sir.
ठीक है डिसमिसिव होना है आपने
और
ये
अगर
क्या
वो
किया?
और अगर आप राइट लेन में जा रहे हो गाड़ी चलाते हुए
आपने एकदम से बस left मोड़ देना है,
आपने
क्योंकि
left
आपके
मोड़
पास free will है।
नहीं नहीं आप और आप 30 चला रहे हो हालांकि हाईवे है पीछे से डिपर मारा तो आपने कहना तूने मुझे डिपर क्यों मारा
हाँ,
ठीक
तेरे
है?
प्योर दी
हाँ,
रोड है।
और उसे जाने नहीं देना अगर उसे जाने दिया तो यार
जाने
क्या
दिया तो फिर
धक्का-
आप मर्द नहीं हो
ये तो तूने उसे धक्का लेने दिया ब्रो ही जस्ट वेंट
और वही है ना कि किसी कॉरिडोर में या किसी
हाँ,
वो ऐसे रोड के ऊपर
वही,
कोई आ
जो
रहा हो
स्कूल में होता था ना
आपने बस ऐसे नहीं होना आपने
हाँ,
आपने इस तरह जाना
और ये
मेरा
बड़े-
बंदा इस
हाँ,
तरह होगा आपको
exactly,
जगह
और ये
देगा।
बड़े रीइंफोर्स स्कूल वगैरह में भी होते हैं यू नो आई रिमेंबर स्कूल में होता था लिटरली
ये वो classes के बाद।
बस हाँ क्लास आप कॉरिडोर में चल रहे हो तो यार आगे से अगर सीनियर आ गया ना तो आपको हटना चाहिए वरना
हाँ,
सीनियर
उसके जगह- उसने जगह से थोड़ा सा भी इधर नहीं होना।
और सीनियर वगैरह भी छोड़ो अगर आपकी उम्र का ही बच्चा है ठीक है तो देयर विल बी दिस होल थिंग के oh who's the tougher one who will अगर आप साइड पे हट जाओ तो that means कि you're less of a man
वो
or
वाली
ये
चीज भी एक और सबसे ज्यादा बड़ी कि अगर आपकी दाढ़ी है तो हाँ दैट्स अ साइन ऑफ मैस्कुलिनिटी इफ यू आर क्लीन शेवन तो फिर यू
Yeah.
लाइक फेमिनिन
yeah
लाइक दैट्स आल्सो बिग
yeah
थिंग
yeah
ठीक है
yeah
उसके अलावा और चीज़ों पे काफ़ी इफ यू लाइक एक्सप्रेस योर इमोशंस या फिर एक्सप्रेस योर फीलिंग्स ऑफ एनी काइंड फॉर एनीवन लाइक योर फ्रेंड्स फैमिली सब कुछ that I feel like is also looked down upon.
Yeah,
कि,
definitely.
Like it makes you less of a man or less of a person.
Yeah, true. And I feel like उसमें एक बहुत बड़ा मसला है which is कि because of these expectations, right, that you have as you're growing up, I feel like काफी ज़्यादा like men they don't learn how to actually express their emotions when they grow
Yeah,
up because
yeah.
हमें पता ही नहीं होता कि like you only have two modes. You either have calm or then you have angry. Angry for some reason society में still more permissible.
Yeah,
you know?
anger is like the most common emotion, especially in Pakistan.
Yeah.
It's like most common among men.
हाँ हालांकि I feel like often वो जो anger होता है that's actually just anxiety and fear. and all
Anxiety,
of those
fear
things.
या फिर
इसको channel करने का सही तरीका ही नहीं हमें सिखाया गया.
Like-
You know.
most of the men they challenge most of their emotions or feelings वगैरह through like
Anger.
Anger.
Ah,
Literally
yeah,
anger.
Yeah. Mm.
Especially the older generation.
Ah.
Like the generation above us.
Yeah.
Like our parents वगैरह.
Yeah.
It's like very
Very
prevalent
common,
among
yeah,
them.
yeah.
Like very common.
Hmm.
It's like a bit better in our generation, I would say,
Hmm.
since we're like
Comparatively better.
comparatively
Yeah.
better. Comparatively better.
Ah,
Yeah.
definitely. Asil mein, a lot of these emotions are वही anxiety, fear, you know, all of these things, and some of them are actually, interestingly enough, some of these emotions are emotions which people would call feminine emotions.
Yeah.
Like fear, you know,
Yeah.
or that you're worried, or that
Like,
you
for
have
the
anxiety.
most of the men, like for example, अगर तू अभी किसी के पास जाए ना और कोई like for example someone of your parents age या even younger than them, आप उनको जाए कहो ना कि यार मुझे डिप्रेशन या मुझे एंजाइटी हो रही है, इस तरह कुछ हो रहा है, कहेंगे वो तो उनके लिए तो एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर रहा,
Yeah,
ठीक
yeah.
है, उनके लिए एग्जिस्ट
I
नहीं
think
कर
it's वही ना, it's the
It's either आप
इतना
पागल हो-
ज़्यादा repressed भी होता है in that generation के it's like आपको पता ही नहीं है कि
हाँ.
that's what's happening,
Yeah.
which is, you know, often the case even in people in our generation, you know, a lot of times that's why people have to go to therapy and ये वो, ताकि उनको पता तो चले कि like what is the actual emotion,
like
you know.
what are they feeling?
Yeah, because when आपको जब सिखाया नहीं गया how to actually access these emotions,
Yeah.
and specifically उन emotions को आपने एक negative bucket में डाल दिया, ठीक
Yeah.
है, कि अगर आपको ये emotions feel हो, that means you're feminine or bad
Yeah.
or whatever,
Like,
ठीक है
it's
ना?
not okay to feel
हाँ,
these kind
तो
of
फिर how will
emotions,
someone
yeah.
ever actually feel those emotions and learn to deconstruct those emotions, you know?
Yeah, और सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आई फील है कि फॉर एग्जांपल अब हमारा एक्सपीरियंस तो इज फ्रॉम आवर जनरेशन ना, तो इट डजंट गो बियॉन्ड दैट और पास दैट, तो आई वुड से कि फॉर आवर जनरेशन ज़्यादा मसला यही हुआ होगा कि एवर सिंस वी वर किड्स, तो वही चीज़ हमें लाइक फोर्स फीड या फिर हमने पैसिवली लर्न की है ये चीज़, और पैसिवली हमारे अंदर एम्बेड हुई है।
Yeah.
तो ग्रोइंग अप आई फील है कि मोस्ट ऑफ आवर लाइव्स वी डिडंट इवन नो कि ये सारे इमोशंस वगैरह को हाउ डू यू नेविगेट और हाउ डू यू
Yeah.
एक्सप्रेस
Yeah.
yourself.
Yeah, true. Because for me, like, I think मेरे लिए सबसे important चीज़ that really helped me deal with a lot of my emotions was
Yeah.
realizing that I can just accept them, कि ये
Yeah.
हो रहे हैं,
Yeah,
as
yeah,
opposed
yeah.
to constantly combat. Because हमें सिखाया गया
Combat or
कि
trying to change that.
yeah, exactly. हमें वो सिखाया गया कि okay, you're feeling anxiety, you're afraid,
Yeah.
you want to cry, तो immediately आपको solution नहीं ये चीज़ें नहीं होनी चाहिए. So that puts you even into more of a
Like, how
panic.
do you run
और
away
फिर
from
आप वो
those?
सारी चीज़ें repress करके bucket में डालें, then you just explode.
फट जाते हैं।
Anger में जो भी, you know, like
Yeah.
So like, and especially often with any emotion or feeling, you know, sometimes the most powerful thing is to just be like, I am
feeling this way,
बस सही है.
and you either like
Yeah.
deal with it so that
Yeah.
you don't feel
Yeah.
like that,
Yeah.
या फिर you just let it pass.
And वो deal with it वाले का एक और मसला है, oftentimes so many people,
No,
everyone at some point in their life is in a place where you can't actually solve the problem that's
Yeah.
making you feel
You just have to
sad or-
accept it.
Yeah, life is tough, you
Yeah.
know. People, we're taught ke, life is tough, you have to be tougher.
Yeah.
As opposed to, I think what would be better is that life is tough, so accept it as tough.
Yeah.
Automatically you'll become tougher, you know,
Yeah,
because you've
literally.
accepted कि ये
You've
चीजें हैं.
expected कि this is like
Yeah.
something that's like वही चीज़ ना कि you don't have to fight every battle that comes your way.
Yeah, exactly,
Like-
exactly.
लेकिन हमारे साथ सबसे ज़्यादा कॉमन ये होता है कि we have this tendency to
Exactly.
fight every single battle
That's
that
it,
like
that's it.
comes to
Yeah,
you
yeah.
in your way.
And I think it's also इतना एक तो है ना कि चलो इन सोसाइटल लेवल पे कि लाइक 4-5 लोग अगर खड़े बैठे हैं, ठीक है, तो अगर एक बंदा रोना चाहता है या सैड है, यू नो, तो एक तो वो वाला प्रेशर है ना, बट एक और भी उसका सेकेंडरी है, वही है जो हम अभी बात कर रहे थे, इट्स ऑल्सो इंटरनलाइज्ड, कि आपको खुद आपकी अपनी एक्सपेक्टेशन फ्रॉम योरसेल्फ
आपकी अपनी voice जो
होती
है
है
ना,
कि
वो गालियाँ दे
it
रही
will be
होगी।
like oh Sanan, you have to not do this, you know,
Yeah.
it's no longer even other people saying
Yeah,
it, you know,
it's like
your
it
own
becomes a
voice has-
battle like
हाँ.
between yourself ना, inside
so
yourself.
your own voice has become that, and then when your own voice becomes that, तो आप अंदर अगर आपको negative feeling है, एक और वो आवाज है कि यार तू कितना चवल है, तो ये हो रहा है, you know, you should be stronger, ये वो,
Yeah.
तो अंदर तो you're just like getting worse and worse, you know.
Literally अंदर फिर एक जंग हो रही है.
Yeah, exactly. So I guess what is a way to overcome that, you know?
I feel like allowing yourself to feel the emotions that you're feeling, like
Yeah.
realizing it. Okay, for example, if you're like afraid of something, if you're going through something, तो just पहले तो एक realize करना और उसको take a moment to feel those things,
Yeah.
rather than like trying to find a temporary fix या फिर a distraction from that.
Yeah.
कि if you're feeling sad, तो feel that emotion
Yeah.
and try to like come to terms or accept it. You accept the things because of which you're feeling sad or feeling some
Yeah.
certain type of way.
I feel like crying is a very powerful thing.
Yeah.
Like people are
Yeah.
like, you know, when was the last time you cried?
It has been a while.
It has been a while? Okay.
Yeah.
I cried
क्योंकि-
like yesterday. You know, like,
That's really-
and
that's
it was
really
honestly
good.
great. It
That's
wasn't
really good.
bad. Like I would not term that particular day bad. I would say, oh, there was like a lot of tension and
It's
anxiety
really,
and all
really
of
good
things
for
building
you.
up. And when I just started crying, I was like, oh my god, this is so nice.
Yeah.
Uske baad utha and I was like, oh, now
Like
so many of my
everything,
problems
like,
have
feels
just,
like they've fixed.
yeah, so many of my problems have literally drained through me.
Ceased
And I'm
to
like,
exist.
oh, okay, now I'm fine. I can tackle the
Yes.
day. I can get to stuff,
Yeah.
you know. But again, even when we're crying, kitni dafa hota hai ki you've probably been in a situation where you've been crying and then you've also been cursing at yourself while crying ke why am I crying, you know?
Yeah.
Because we have built that expectation ke oh, crying is necessarily a bad thing all the time, even though
Yeah,
it's
वो
a
आपको
natural
इतना force
reaction
feed किया था. Like for example, my experience, like you asked me ना कि when was the last time I cried. My experience with like emotion, सारा कुछ has been like really bad, especially growing up in like a Pakistani household where this चीज़. It was like कि वही यही सारे norms और उस तरह की चीज़ें वगैरह that have been like fed to you ever since you were a kid, and like you're made fun of if you end up crying.
Yeah.
Like for example, जैसे ना मेरे स्कूल वगैरह में होता था कि
हाँ.
अगर आप लड़ाई हो रही है कोई आप
Yeah.
रोने लग जाओ तो आपका तो फिर
ऐसा
पूरे
ही था.
स्कूल में मजाक है.
Yeah,
ठीक है, तो तब से ना वो बन के ना बैरियर बन गया हुआ था. और फिर I came to realize like a few years ago कि I found it really hard to cry. Like even if I want, now that
Yeah.
I've realized that crying is good for you, it's
yeah.
fine.
हाँ,
लेकिन I
that's right.
wanted to do it, but I couldn't. I
That's true.
couldn't.
That's also a thing.
like वो चीज़ बन
And it's a
जाती
very
है.
woe thing. I think even last time I cried, I was like, oh, it almost felt like I had to push through
Yeah,
something
push
to get
through,
it. And
like,
that's
literally.
why it feels so good
मेहनत
because
करनी
you're
पड़
like,
रही होती है
oh,
वो
okay,
ये
now I've
चीज़.
finally broken through, you
Yeah.
know? Because when you are feeling so many things and you're under the guise of masculinity being like,
Yeah.
nahi, main nahi karta,
Yeah.
I'm gonna get through this. This doesn't bother me, that doesn't bother me.
Yeah.
None of those things bother me, you know? तो फिर तो it's just gonna get worse and worse
Yeah.
and you're not taught to just... And I think one thing maybe that most likely all guys will probably admit, and if they won't admit, it's just that they're not admitting it, which is that the most, as for us men, the scariest thing for us is probably just being vulnerable, you know?
Yeah,
And
definitely.
even though technically
Definitely.
that's considered, it's considered something for weak people, you know, being
Yeah.
vulnerable. Even though we all know it's actually बहुत ज़्यादा strength लगा के कभी होना होगा, you know.
Yeah.
But now you're like, holy crap, I can't do that. The real reason we're not vulnerable is not because we're weak. We're not weak. It's because we're afraid of
Afraid of
something,
doing that,
and we're just blocking that off
Because
completely.
you're also not used to that, na?
Yeah.
For example, when you're growing up, no one has been vulnerable around you. So how do you
ऐसा ही है.
realize that it's okay to be vulnerable? इस तरह सारा
Like
कुछ.
family specifically, man, you know, if you see people around you who are being vulnerable, that can often make a big difference to you and
As a
your
person,
approach
yeah.
to masculinity, you know. I
Yeah.
feel like in my life, in my family life, you know, I would say have always still been a little more closely attuned to my emotions, simply because bachpan se hi na, I've been very close to my mom, so when I've seen her cry but also be super like she can do anything, you know,
Yeah.
like तो उससे मेरा ये image बना कि oh you can be someone who is very feminine and
Yeah.
like can cry about her problems, but when you know you need to get stuff done, you get
You
stuff
get
done,
stuff
like way
done,
more
yeah.
than that most masculine man could do, you know.
Yeah.
So for that, काफी दफा मेरे लिए it just made it, oh okay, yeah, so this whole thing of you know
Like these both of these things can
can
coexist.
go, yeah, and oftentimes
coexist, yeah.
recognizing and being able to cry and then tackle your problems is
Yeah.
is the strongest thing you can do, you know.
Yeah.
I wonder, I'm trying to think how would you say friend circles में, like male friend circles में, जिस तरह हमारा है, right?
Yeah.
उसमें how often can you come up with a problem, you know?
For example, the people that I grew up with, for example, मेरा जो circle था school में,
Yeah.
that I would say the reason I cut all of them off was कि वो बहुत toxic circle बन गया क्योंकि उसके अंदर कोई emotions वगैरह discuss नहीं कभी कर रहे होते थे.
Yeah.
ठीक है, it's always कि किसी एक बंदे को पकड़ के बुली कह रहे हैं about
हाँ.
something and not realizing कि this person has emotions.
हाँ,
Like
yeah.
emotions exist ही नहीं करते थे वो
Yeah.
एक दूसरे के लिए.
Yeah.
So that became such a toxic thing क्योंकि उसकी वजह से insecurities
हाँ,
मेरी
सही
अपनी feel हो रही थी और
Yeah.
सारा कुछ हो रहा था. I was like कि these people are not my friends because they constantly judge me,
Yeah.
constantly make me feel like someone is like watching me and like I have to be
Yeah.
this certain way, I have to be this perception of a man that I actually don't want to
Yeah.
like feed into.
Yeah.
वही चीज़ ना. लेकिन for example अब हमारे circle में things are very different.
Yeah.
कि we can like come up to each other and share the problems that we have
Yeah.
going on in our lives, which is like not very common.
Yeah, it's not very
like,
common.
It was really hard for me to find a group
Yeah.
of people जिसके साथ I can be vulnerable
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
like open about my feelings and everything. So I
Yeah.
would say कि it's like a very very rare.
Yeah,
thing,
it is very
especially
rare.
among like guy only groups.
Yeah, definitely,
ठीक है,
definitely.
it becomes बेटर जिन ग्रुप्स वगैरह के अंदर if they're like women, क्योंकि they neutralize the
Yeah.
toxic masculinity going
Yeah,
on in the
yeah.
groups वगैरह सब
लोंडा
कुछ
party-
लोंडा
Yeah,
फेस्ट नहीं हो रहा होता है ना.
yeah.
तो लेकिन हमारा ये है कि हमारा तो लोंडा फेस्ट है,
हाँ.
लेकिन हमारा लोंडा फेस्ट के अंदर ये होता है कि हमेशा हम क्या कहते हैं, if we're like 5 of us,
हाँ,
तो all 5 of us are on this wavelength कि we can share our problems
हाँ,
and like be
ऐसा ही है,
vulnerable
ऐसा
and
ही है, yeah.
even like cry
Yeah,
in front of you,
definitely,
वाली चीज़.
definitely.
लेकिन I would say कि it's a really good thing to
हाँ.
have, लेकिन it's not very common.
Yeah.
Like, and I know for a
Ah,
fact
no,
that a lot of
definitely.
people don't have it.
Yeah.
A lot of people.
So what do you
don't
think makes a group like that? Like, if you were to be like, what would you say people need to do differently, you know, so that
have it. यार I feel like कि just वो जो heart to heart open conversations होती हैं ना, like for example जो हमारी कई बार होती हैं जिसमें
Yeah.
like we end up discussing like our secrets or things or
Yeah.
उस तरह conversations बहुत important है क्योंकि those kind of conversations bring you together.
Yeah.
But like generally talking about your emotions, क्योंकि I feel like कि ये ज़्यादातर expect किया जाता है अगर तू किसी और से बात करेगा ना तो कहेंगे कि आपके ग्रुप के अंदर ये चीज़ नहीं है, वो कहेंगे हाँ नहीं है. तो वो ये होगा कि most of the time the guy would be expecting the other person to make some sort of effort
yeah,
to establish that dynamic.
Yeah.
कि आपने खुद से नहीं मेहनत करनी.
हाँ,
Like for
true.
example, if I want to talk to you about your emotions,
Yeah.
तो I would expect कि तू आके मेरे से उस तरह की कोई बात
हाँ,
करे और वो
true.
प्रेसिडेंट सेट करे कि हमारी इस तरह की बात हो सकती है. Rather than me coming up to you and sharing कि हाँ bro, like I'm going through this, इस तरह सब कुछ. Men usually, including myself, I used to feel more comfortable talking about my emotions with women rather than men.
And I think that वो एक बहुत बड़ा मसला है because
बहुत बड़ा
then
मसला
it
है.
makes your relationship with women very toxic.
Very toxic.
Because आपके पास there's so many people I know and I have been one of those people myself in the past where like if you're in a relationship or something, right, आपके इतने ज़्यादा emotional needs आपको लगता है कि उधर से ही पूरे होने हैं, that one person is often never gonna be able to
एक तो
fulfill.
इमोशनल नीड्स पूरे होने हैं, दूसरा आप यू स्टार्ट ट्रीटिंग योर पार्टनर लाइक अ थेरेपिस्ट.
Yeah, exactly.
वही
So
चीज़.
many because they think, oh, it's fine to talk about my problems if
Yeah.
I'm with someone, married to someone, dating someone.
और ये है
so-
कि if I'm sad तो this person will fix me.
हाँ, exactly.
वो वाली
right?
चीज़.
As opposed
क्योंकि
to
you're trying to
हाँ.
distract or you're trying to temporarily fix
Yeah.
something that you're feeling internally.
And
वो
the
वाली
fact
चीज़.
that you even have that expectation ko I'm broken and need to be
Yeah.
fixed, which is again very masculine.
Very masculine,
चीज़
like,
के,
thing
you
that-
know, all of that gets, and I think that, for example, मेरे लिए I feel like a lot of my life I spent trying to become someone, you know, and always my internal monologue would always be, oh, you can do this better, you can do this better, you can do this better, you can
Yeah.
do this better. मतलब मैं अपने कॉलेज के टाइम पे मैं बहुत जर्नलिंग करता था.
हाँ.
अब मैं वो जर्नल्स कुछ पढ़ता हूँ ना like खोल के, and all of it is just I'm like
Negative talk.
It's not even necessarily negative,
Yeah.
but it's not overtly negative to कि तू ये है कोई वो है, right? But it's like कोई bro एक over enthusiastic life coach आपके अंदर बैठा हुआ है, you know,
कि
who's just
ये
like,
भी करना, वो
कि
भी
ये
करना है, इस
चाहिए,
तरह
फिर
करना
कल से हम ये
और
करेंगे और
इस age तक ये करना
हाँ, and you're like तब चढ़ जाए bro, you're never gonna actually do anything if you're always
Like
telling yourself,
unrealistic expectations
if
है ना
you're
from
never in the
yourself.
present and accepting
Yeah.
कि अभी मैं ये हूँ, you're never gonna like have the momentum to become better and all of those things.
And I feel like us, like for example, the person that we both are, the people that we both are right now, we had to change and accept a lot in order to become this version of ourselves. Like there's like still a lot of room for improvement. Like there always is. लेकिन वही वाली चीज़ ना कि I think we both grew up in households like this जिसके जहाँ पे ये चीज़ें उस तरह से feed की जाती थी to a lot of extent.
Yeah.
Lekin we had to like unlearn and learn certain things
Definitely.
after we grew up,
Yeah.
like in our 20s.
Yeah.
वाली चीज़.
Yeah.
Lekin I feel like it's like really important to do those things, like to come to realization कि why do you feel certain ways like about things
Yeah.
generally, and why do you act in a certain way.
Yeah.
Anger issues हैं अगर आपको तो
Yeah.
उनके बारे में like accepting that, like
Yeah.
for example मैंने from a very early age मैंने decision लिया था कि anger is like a very negative emotion.
Yeah.
And I want to eliminate that from myself. Yeah, I don't
Especially, I would say it's a negative. Obviously, it serves a purpose at times, but it's negative because most of the times it's out of your control.
it's out
You're
of your
not being
control,
angry,
and
you
it's
are-
like it honestly it does the most damage to yourself
Of course.
other than the damage it does to other people.
Yeah.
But like वही होता है ना, वो फिर anger आप अपने ऊपर भी निकाल रहे होते हो.
Yeah.
Anger से आप, क्योंकि anger is like a distraction ही है ना,
Yeah.
जैसे like, as we were talking about from the other emotions that you're feeling. For
Yeah.
example, if you're sad, तो आप वो एंगर की फॉर्म में निकाल रहे हो, तो ये लाइक आप एड्रेस नहीं कर रहे हो व्हाई यू आर सैड इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस, तो वो सैडनेस तो रहेगी ना, तो इट्स जस्ट लाइक a cover up
and you're never accepting the sadness.
Yeah.
Because
The acceptance ही नहीं है.
again you're blocked by this idea कि if I accept this sadness then I'm weak, not a man, all of
और फिर
those
सबसे ज्यादा मसला होता है कि फिर जब इस चीज के अंदर इतनी बेसिक चीज के अंदर एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं है ना,
Yeah.
तो फिर that translates into other aspects of your
Yeah.
life as well.
हाँ,
तो फिर
I know.
आपको generally things
Yeah.
accept करना ना कि this thing is not for me, या this isn't working out, या I shouldn't give up,
हाँ.
वो चीजें आप वो acceptance आपकी जिंदगी से वहाँ पे भी निकल जाता
I
है.
know so many men, ठीक है, so many of my friends जो जिनको पता होता है कि इनके they're worried, they're fear, इनको ये भी इतनी awareness है, you know, कि they're actually afraid, ये वो, their mental health is not in a good
Yeah.
place, right? But so much, and I was and still am at times this person, which is कि sometimes we get so caught up in the fact that we need to fix it, you know, and that
Yeah.
it needs to get better, and specifically it's a very egotistical thing कि a man is someone who will fix the problem,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
it's
yeah.
not कि अगर कोई और आके मेरा मसला ठीक कर जाए ना, अगर मेरा solution हो ना कि I just need to for example अगर कोई if my emotions are getting the better of me and the actual solution is I should lean on my friends more,
Yeah.
I might not be inclined to take that if I fall into वो
क्योंकि
masculinity वाला
वो
trap.
चीज के it makes you less of a
हाँ
man.
हाँ क्योंकि and also doesn't मेरा ego नहीं feed होता
Ego
उससे.
नहीं feed
And
होता
काफी
है,
दफा
yeah.
लोगों को ये होता है कि मैंने solution भी अपने ego को feed करने के लिए करना है, which is कि if I do fix something I should be the one who fixes it,
Yeah.
you know, I am
Yeah,
the
I
alpha
have to be the Bob
who's
the
in
Builder.
control. Yeah, I'm the
We can fix it.
Yeah, I'm the alpha who जो सारे मसले solve करेगा, and then होता क्या है असल में that's not how it works, you know, we're all flawed human beings, ये एक हमारी एक reality है, you know,
Yeah.
but the alpha male वाला idea is कि no you don't have those
यार
flaws.
मुझे तो अभी तक ये समझ नहीं आती कि what is an alpha male. Like ये जो अब बहुत कॉमन आजकल
Yeah,
चला हुआ है ना कि
yeah.
सिग्मा या फिर अल्फा
Yeah,
मेल वाली चीज
yeah.
कि if you do this तो you're alpha, if
Yeah.
you're an alpha, if you don't do this you're a beta
Yeah,
male, इस तरह की चीज
yeah,
वगैरह.
yeah.
मुझे अभी तक समझ नहीं है कि what exactly is that.
I think it's वही मतलब alpha is considered के very much in control and Harvey Specter
Andrew Tate.
like you know Andrew Tate, like yeah there's like these tropes जो बने हुए हैं TV से
कि you don't give a
से,
fuck
internet
about
से.
other people's emotions वगैरह सब
Yeah,
कुछ. You're
और
like
आप हमेशा winner हो
आप हमेशा
You
winner
know?
हो.
वही बात है कि आप अगर कॉरिडोर
no
में जा
matter
रहे हो
what
तो
happens,
अगला बंदा हटेगा
no matter what happens in life you're like
Yeah,
like
you're
this.
just like
you're
I
never
don't
like
feel
this.
anything. And I think this is like this random Game of Thrones. हालांकि मैंने देखा भी नहीं हुआ, but I just love the quote. But there's just this quote in which I think a son asks his dad के can you be brave when you are also afraid? And he says that's the only time you can be brave. You know, it's that
Can
when
you be brave when you're
also afraid.
हाँ.
And he says that's the only time you can be brave because being brave means that you actually have to feel fear in order to then overcome it, right? So being like, oh no, I don't feel fear, मुझे कुछ नहीं, like then you're not brave, then you just don't feel that, you know? फिर तो आप एक unfeeling rock हो, as opposed to someone who actually is, yeah, I feel these things, these are a problem, but somehow I will still stick it
Push
out
through-
and
push
yeah,
through
push
them.
through it. Maybe आज नहीं and maybe not myself, you know? But with the people I have, I can overcome this and all of that, you
Yeah.
know? That's such a better, मतलब अब वो सुनते ही that's such a better way to live
And
life. you
एक
know?
वो सबसे चीज ना like listening to you talk about this made me think कि men में it's very common कि not being dependent on other people. कि आपने सोलो हर चीज करनी है.
Yeah.
कोई भी मसला है ना तो आपने अकेले उससे लड़ना है, आपने अकेले सॉल्व करना है, आपने सब कुछ अकेले
Yeah,
करना है. वो वाली चीज. हालांकि instinctively humans are made in such a way कि we have to be dependent on
Yeah,
each other
yeah,
people.
exactly.
Like codependency वाली चीज है ना
Yeah.
कि in order to survive in this world और सारा
We're all
कुछ
interdependent,
we are all
yeah.
interdependent on each other like
Yeah.
on other people, other species, other things,
Yeah.
nature वगैरह सब कुछ.
Yeah.
तो अगर आप वही उसकी अपनी instinctive call की तरफ से ही दूर भाग रहे हो
Yeah.
तो फिर it's like
Yeah, it's
you're gonna
isolating,
face a
it's
lot of
isolating.
like loneliness
हाँ.
की तरफ जाते हो खुद ही
Exactly.
और फिर when you feel lonely तो फिर
Yeah.
you want to cover it
And
up by
then it's
other
such
things वगैरह सब
a
कुछ.
ये भी बहुत चीज है कि मेल लोनलीनेस पाकिस्तान में and पूरी दुनिया में is such a big problem.
Yeah,
है ना?
it is, it is.
And that's very closely linked to मतलब high rates of male suicide and all of those
Yeah.
things, male mental health problems. लेकिन the thing is अब यही that's where वही वाला मसला आ जाता है कि in a lot of circles I feel like just generally बहुत अच्छा आपका friend circle भी हो, even then saying यार I feel lonely is such a big thing because again
Such-
वही बात
such a
आती है
big
कि the hardest thing is to be vulnerable and
Yeah.
to be like oh I feel these emotions and I feel bad and I'm not in control and all of that, right?
और वही ना कि मुझे याद पड़ता है कि ना नॉट वेरी लॉन्ग अगो बट यही होता था कि मेरे जेन में ना एक वो परसेप्शन थी कि व्हेनेवर लाइक समथिंग इज हैपनिंग तो I feel I have to show like कि I am in control, कि I don't need help,
Yeah.
मैं fix कर दूंगा इसको.
Yeah.
वो ये perception, क्योंकि it might make me appear less of a person, कि जो मैंने एक अपनी image बनाई हुई है कि
Yeah,
मैं
exactly.
बंदा हूँ कि who has everything under control,
Yeah.
who doesn't loses his shit. अगर मैं जाके कहने लग जाऊँ लोगों कि ओ यार मैं down हूँ, मेरे से ये काम नहीं हो रहा, I need a break या इस तरह कुछ, that would make them think less of me.
Yeah.
वो ये
Yeah.
feeling है.
Yeah.
फिर I realized कि मैंने कहा कि भाई क्यों ये क्यों करना है,
Yeah,
like ये
yeah.
कहाँ से आ रही
किसने कहा है?
है,
मतलब
ये किसने कहा है,
who is keeping
Like-
score?
like
कि
ये
आप
कौन
कितने
रिकॉर्ड
mark
रख रहे हैं, मेरे जावा,
हाँ, literally,
मेरे जावा.
yeah,
I'm literally
exactly.
holding those things against myself.
Only
Like-
you have that.
Like मैंने तुझे बोलना है,
Checklist.
मैंने तुझे कुछ बोलना है, तो there's like a high chance and most probably you won't even think twice about it कि मैं आगे तेरे से कोई चीज शेयर की है या मैंने तुझे
Yeah.
कहा कि यार मेरे से ये काम नहीं होगा, तू कर सकता तो कर ले.
Yeah.
ठीक है, तू तो कहेगा अच्छा अब ये काम किस तरह करना है, इस तरह सब कुछ ही
हाँ.
होगा, लेकिन मैं अपने ज़हन में पता नहीं क्या क्या सिनेरियोज बना के
exactly.
बैठ गया हूँगा कि ये तो सोचता होगा कि मैं तजा तो किसी काम का नहीं है,
Yeah.
ये तो फारिग इंसान है, इससे तो ये
वो तो
काम
मैं
ही नहीं हो
सोचता हूँ,
सकता.
हाँ.
मैं फिर काम कराना बंद कर देता था.
कैमरे बात करता अच्छा हाँ no it's true
तो
you
ये
know,
चीज़
yeah,
है.
yeah. It's and वही मैं कह रहा हूँ कि even with our close friends we still I feel like there's still that barrier you
Yeah.
know that is based on like अगर आप and इसमें वही बात आ जाती है the internalized you know
Internalized masculinity
वो
and
वाला
conflict.
emotion. Yeah, conflict के even अगर आपको intellectually एक चीज़ पता है ना कि हाँ I should be able हमें अब for example intellectually शायद ये चीज़ें पता हैं right but even then we are not able to actually put this in practice जितना हम चाहें because एक बहुत deep layer of
Deep है ना,
deeply embedded है
deeply
हमारे अंदर
embedded
ये.
है हमारे
you know
अंदर
कि
बहुत
नहीं
ज़्यादा.
नहीं नहीं maybe end तक अगर बिल्कुल you know seat bad हो जाए ये करना है you know one of the big drawbacks ये masculinity के जो हमने concept बनाए हुए हैं you know
Yeah.
इतने tight से उसका ये it's not just limited to
इतने
men
tight से.
हाँ it's not
इतने tight से.
tight से जो हमने
Tight
concept
से
बनाए
concept
crazy
बनाए हैं.
concept उनमें से oftentimes what happens is the drawbacks or the negative is not just limited to men you know
To a person themselves.
so हाँ to a person
Yeah.
themselves ठीक है उसका काफ़ी ज़्यादा मतलब अब if someone falls under this you know कि एक बंदा है जो अपने emotions को नहीं deal कर सकता ठीक है they think that हर चीज़ का जवाब anger है ठीक है तो what is that mind going to become that mind going to be so chaotic ठीक है it's going to be angry
And so toxic.
it's so toxic right
Yeah.
and it's all of those things are gonna then affect people that man is interacting with
Interacting
and
with and like the
oftentimes
people
उसका-
that are in his life.
yeah, and सबसे often यही होता है कि the closest person in their life is a woman. You
Yeah.
know, if they're married or if they're in a relationship or
Yeah,
anything.
married भी नहीं, like we as men are really dependent on women.
Yeah, exactly.
Like औरतों के बगैर हमारी
Yeah,
जिंदगी
बढ़ जाएगी.
पॉसिबल ही नहीं है,
Yeah.
bro, existence नहीं है
हाँ,
हमारी.
yeah. Yeah,
We
ऐसा ही
just
है.
cease to exist.
हाँ,
ठीक है,
literally.
तो like सबसे common वही होती हैं, be it a mother,
Hmm.
ठीक है, a wife, a sister, a girlfriend,
Yeah,
even like friends in some cases,
yeah,
female
yeah,
friends,
Yeah.
सब कुछ. तो वो वही होता है कि it starts affecting them so much, especially when people like these, men like these, get in places of power.
Yeah.
तो it starts affecting people जो कि उनके डायरेक्टली जिंदगी में भी नहीं है. For example, CEO of a company who's like a toxic male.
Yeah.
He will be toxic to all the women in
Yeah.
the company and
Yeah.
there is a big possibility कि उस firm के अंदर सबसे कम औरतें हों.
And often सबसे ज़्यादा तो is the most common position जो एक man को दी जाती है of power, which is in the household. ठीक है?
Yeah,
So now
yeah.
you've taken people who have जिनको आपने नहीं सिखाया how to deal with their emotions, how to be, you know, emotional feeling human beings
Yeah.
जो अपने आप को
Yeah.
ठीक रख सकते हैं. Then you've told them that they have to solve the whole problem, you know, and
Power
that,
दे दिया
and that, and that they also have power, you
Yeah.
know. अब that is just such a bad combination. उसकी वजह से it's gonna have so many negative effects on women, you know, that they're around. And वही बात है ego feeding
वो
वाली
सारा
पूरी
कुछ
बात
आ जाता
जाती
है ना, this all of these negative things also end up feeding the man's ego.
Yeah, exactly.
And
और
like
वो
ego जितनी ज़्यादा मर्दों के अंदर है ना,
हाँ,
हमारे
and I think
पाकिस्तानी
वही है ना,
मर्दों के
it's
अंदर
because
especially.
के हमारे अंदर वो चीज़ डाली गई है कि you will be enough when you have achieved certain things, when you are in control, when you are this,
Yeah.
when you are that. ठीक है?
And
तो
when-
उसको अब in order to finally be in control, you have to do so much. ठीक है? अब वो चीज़ें नहीं आपसे होती. अब जब वो नहीं होती तो then you lash out on others and you lash out on yourself.
Like
and
सबसे
all
ज़्यादा
those
common चीज़ स्पेशली पाकिस्तान के अंदर ये होगी कि a lot of men लाइक इट्स नेचुरल कि आपकी ज़िंदगी में काफ़ी चीज़ें जो हो रही हैं वो आपके कंट्रोल में ना हो.
Yeah.
लाइक नॉट एवरीथिंग इज़ मेंट टू बी इन योर कंट्रोल.
Yeah.
लाइक वो वाली चीज़ आपने एक्सेप्ट करनी होती है ना. तो वो वही होता है कि जब उन मर्दों की ज़िंदगी के अंदर वो कंट्रोल नहीं होता उनके पास, तो उन्हें वो कहीं पे एक्सरसाइज करना होता है.
Yeah.
इट कम्स टू देयर फैमिली.
Exactly.
वो अपनी घर की औरतों और ये जितने बाकी लोग भी होंगे, लेकिन ज़्यादातर औरतों के ऊपर वो एक्सरसाइज करेगा वो कंट्रोल.
Yeah, exactly.
Controlling what they do, what they.
Yeah, it's not, and I would say it's not even that subtle. You know, Pakistan में तो it's a very
It's
explicit thing.
explicit है बहुत
हाँ,
ज़्यादा. उसको
कि if you're married to
normal
someone,
समझा जाता है.
there's so many people, maybe not as much in our demographic of people and ये वो ठीक है, but the more you get, you know, the more you go down the poverty scale, you know, and जिसको कम resources मिले हुए हैं and कम like, education मिली है, it becomes even worse, you know.
और जो मर्द कंट्रोल नहीं कर रहा होता उसको तो फिर वो लुक डाउन अपॉन किया
Yeah,
जाता है, उसको
exactly.
तो बातें बोली जाती हैं,
बातें बोली जाती हैं.
फॉर एग्जांपल अगर कोई बंदा
Yeah.
अपनी बीवी का ओपिनियन सुनने लग जाए,
Yeah, वो कहता
उसको
है, थल्ले लग
इक्वल
गया
करे, थल्ला लग गया है,
Yeah.
वो भी थल्ला लग गया है.
Exactly,
वो वाली
exactly.
चीज होती है.
Exactly.
तो वो तो बहुत, और वो सिर्फ क्या कहते हैं मिडिल क्लास या लोअर मिडिल क्लास में कॉमन नहीं है, वो वहाँ पर एलीट क्लास तक भी जाता है.
इट्स डिफरेंट इन किस तरह मैनिफेस्ट होता है,
किस तरह मैनिफेस्ट होता है. एग्जैक्टली. तो वो ये सबसे ज़्यादा चीज़ होती है. और दूसरा मैंने सबसे चीज़ एक जो रियलाइज की है ना ओवर द इयर्स, इट्स के एक तो एंगर इज लाइक द मोस्ट कॉमन इमोशन अमंग मेन. एंड वो जब एंगर आप वैसे किसी तरह नहीं निकाल सकते और वैसे वो बिल्डअप करी जाए, तो इवेंचुअली इट बिकम्स कि आप फिजिकली ट्राई टू कंट्रोल थिंग्स. और वो जब फिजिकली आप ट्राई करते हो ना, दैट often becomes abuse.
Yeah, ऐसा ही है.
Physically abusing other people वगैरह सारा कुछ. आप देखोगे सड़क पे इसने यहाँ से कट मार दिया, निकल के बस पिटने लग गए एक दूसरे को. ठीक है, घर में
And that's why इतने ज़्यादा मसले सॉल्व नहीं होते, क्योंकि हम जो अगर for example there's some men in society who we'd say are very bad, ठीक है, उनको टैकल करने का भी तरीका is so masculine कि भाई these are bad people, they should be better, ठीक है, तो उनको, और you know we don't look at people in terms of कि okay this person's a bad person, so how can we rehabilitate them, उनको बेहतर किस तरह बनाया जा सकता है, उनके जो मसले हैं उनको थेरेपी भेजो, ये करो, you know, ये लोग बेहतर हो.
थेरेपी दे एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती.
Exactly, ना, exactly, but all so much of that stems from उधर ही, you know, कि हमारा अप्रोच भी ये है कि नहीं तुझे बेहतर होना चाहिए, you know, and it's a very masculine concept in terms of
it's वही है कि ना get better,
yeah, as opposed to accepting people for how they're flawed, because once you accept them then you can try to fix them and make things better and ये वो.
तो ये acceptance वाली चीज़ ना, like we said before, is very important.
Yeah.
और in all of these cases, एक तो मर्द खुद भी क्या कहते हैं फिर इफेक्ट हो रहा होता है इन सारी चीज़ों से, और फिर सबसे ज़्यादा सफ़र करते हैं the people around you, as we said.
ऐसा ही है.
कि जिनका कोई कसूर भी नहीं होता. Like कोई कहीं का गुस्सा आके कहीं पे निकल रहा होता है, कहीं की फ्रस्ट्रेशन कहीं पे निकल रही होती है, एंग्जाइटी जो कि बाकी चीज़ों में डेवलप हो रही होती है, सारा कुछ अनसर्टेनिटी वगैरह सब कुछ, वो आगे ट्रांसलेट होके इट एंड्स अप affecting the lives of the people around those people.
Yeah, मैंने तो यही सीखा कि I feel like शुरू से I've just always been trying to be a certain type of man, you know, कि I have to be a certain way, a certain person, I have to acquire good skills, have good attributes, जैसे वीडियो गेम का कोई कैरेक्टर में बनना, you know, and
इतनी हेल्थ होनी चाहिए, इतना स्टैमिना
होना चाहिए, इतनी वेपन्स होनी चाहिए, you know, like you should be अपने आप कैरेक्टर क्रिएटर हम अपने बन रहे होते हैं, you know, and for the longest time I thought कि ये अच्छी चीज़ है, because obviously it's
you're shaping yourself into a better person.
It's also self improvement, you know, कि it's me getting better,
self improvement.
me getting better. But the thing is, eventually what I discovered was that the best way to be that ideal man is to just be the person that you are. You know?
Exactly.
Because that's the hardest thing to accept. You know, that it's easy to say that oh, I have these problems, लेकिन ये problems नहीं, ये तो मैं solve करूँगा. As opposed to being like, oh, right now I have these problems. I'm not the perfect man that other people expect me to be, and I start to expect me to be, and therefore I'm fine. I'll try to fix it. But if I'm not able to do it, say in the next week, that's fine. You know, like I'm just trying.
वो ये ना कि there's like a fine difference between both of these mindsets. के एक ये है ना कि नहीं भाई dismissive होना कि भाई ये प्रॉब्लम एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती क्योंकि मैं इसको फिक्स कर लूंगा, वो चीज. और एक ये है कि हाँ नहीं एग्जिस्ट करती है, लेट्स सी व्हाट वी कैन डू अबाउट इट, दिस इज लाइक माय फ्लॉ, आई एम फ्लॉड इन दिस वे, वो वाली चीज. एक सबसे ज्यादा मुश्किल यही होगा आई फील है कि फॉर अ पर्सन, इवन आप ये छोड़ दो कि मर्द या औरत वगैरह सारा कुछ, अमंग ह्यूमंस इज के एक्सेप्ट के दे आर फ्लॉड.
क्योंकि हमें ये सिखाया गया कि यू हैव टू बी दिस अल्फा man, this perfect man, all right, and it's not even, and it doesn't even apply to even men, you know, it applies universally in a lot of ways as well, but you know, we've been taught that you have to be the perfect man is someone who's in control, who doesn't have these flaws and all of that, you know.
Yeah.
But I feel like the reality that we both probably agree on is that the perfect man is actually the one who admits they're not perfect, you
Yeah.
know, and that they have flaws, that they want to cry, they're afraid, and that's okay.
There is no even a concept of being perfect.
Yeah.
What is being perfect?
Yeah, it's not.
Like
yeah.
it's just literally flawed.
Yeah,
The
I see it.
theory or the whatever you want to call it
No, of
itself
course.
is like flawed.
It's itself. It's not
Like because
compatible with how the world works.
nothing in this world is perfect.
Yeah,
Like if
exactly.
it depends on how the way you look at
They're
it.
just perfect concepts.
Concepts हैं
They're just
literally,
thoughts,
yeah.
really.
Yeah,
Okay,
literally.
there's this thought कि a perfect person
like एक
would be
conception
this.
है,
हाँ.
misconception जिसका आप
Exactly,
कहोगे.
exactly.
वो
And it's
चीज़.
divorced from reality.
Yeah.
Completely.
वो जो एक वजह वो phrase है ना कि perfection or beauty lies in imperfection.
Yeah.
तो वही
exactly.
चीज़ कि that is like or literally your nature is like
Yeah.
being imperfect.
It is. Yeah.
Like आपकी सारी जिंदगी गुजरती है, you still can become a better
Yeah.
version or a better
Yeah,
person.
and you never
all
become.
your
You're
life.
constantly just becoming.
Yeah,
You're
you're
changing and you're shifting.
it's just constant evolving.
Yeah, and you're just the nature of being a man is just that. You know, just in tune with the fact that you're always evolving and trying to be better, but you don't have to be.
And
the
the
best.
sooner that you come to realize all those things, I feel like the sooner
Yeah.
your journey of becoming like
that
better
man
person
that you actually
that-
think you should want to become, that you already are.
that you
So,
already are
yeah.
in a lot of ways.
Yeah.
Like you are strong in a lot of ways and like you're
True be doobies.
चल पैकअप कर जाएगा ना, सामान उतार जाएगा, मर्द,
हाँ,
क्योंकि तू तो मर्द है ना.
हाँ, मैं सारा
तू जिम भी जाता
मैं
है
सब
ना,
कुछ,
जरा
हाँ,
थोड़ा
मैं एक
स्ट्रांग.
से उठाऊंगा बस सारा गाड़ी में जाएगा.
हाँ बस
ठीक है, फिट है.
फिट है.
हाँ चलो ठीक है.
Yeah.
हम बैठे हैं यहाँ, तू जा.
मैं जाऊँ.
हाँ तू जा. You're not welcome here.